You most welcome to our free online school, SkillBridge Institute. This time around, we'll be discussing about project team. A project team consists of different people who are working together so that by the end of the day, they should be able to achieve project objectives. These different people provide technical expertise, creativity, as well as leadership. For example, in a construction project, you may have got a team members which consist of architects, engineers, workers, and project managers. You can build a strong project team by understanding the needs of a particular project. At the same time, you should be able to define the roles which each and every team member is supposed to do in a particular project. You should have that capacity of selecting the best people for the work that is supposed to be done in a particular project. You should be able to clearly communicate on the roles or the work which every team member is supposed to do in that particular project. You need to make sure that there is good communication among those particular different team members. A project team can be managed by providing training. Whenever you see that there is a gap, you as a project manager should be able to provide training to those particular team members. You should also be able to set the expectations so that whenever every team member is doing his part, he should be focusing on that particular set expectation. There should be trust among the team members. So these people, they should be able to trust each other so that they can effectively work together. A project manager should be able to monitor the progress of the project which the team members are executing. A project manager should be able to resolve the conflicts which are arising as the team members are working together. Whenever team members are working together, there are challenges. So those particular challenges have their own solutions. So challenge number one, it is lack of skills. This challenge can be solved by providing clear instruction and providing training to the team members. Another problem is poor communication. So whenever there is poor communication, you need to make sure that you set those particular communication channels on how communication should flow from the lower level to the higher level. That one will prevent poor communication. Another challenge, it is conflicting priorities. So on conflicting priorities can be solved by ensuring that all the team members, they are focused on the project tasks which they are supposed to do in that particular project. This can be an example of a project team. So you can have a project director. From there you have got a project manager. You can have a project officer. Then here I've got functional team leaders. Then below here you have got team members. So these particular team members, they will be reporting to the functional team leader. The functional team leaders will be reporting to the project manager. And at the same time, the project officer will be reporting to the project manager. The project manager will be reporting to the director. So that can be the communication hierarchy in your project as the team members are working together. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.